By the end of the next 500 years, have all the technology to get people into a starcraft, have them go there, have multiple generations, live and die in the same spacecraft on their way towards these planets, which we've already found that you could potentially land on and get there. And the answer is somewhat yes. I'm going to walk you through something that sounds a little crazy. It's a 500-year plan, but trust me, I want to take you with me on a bit on this journey.
Having students be able to see what opportunities are out there, how far and how advanced biology or science is compared to what we actually learn in the classroom is a huge leap and is a huge difference.
I'm a microbiology student and I'm super interested in the microbiome. Studying the space microbiome and learning more about what happens when someone goes to space is super interesting.
Could we genetically protect astronauts? Could we turn on genes to help them survive before they get there? But then, should we do such a thing? What are the ethics of making someone fit for another planet?
So today I learned a lot about genomics, specifically how humans can be bioengineered and stuff like that. So a lot of interesting things they haven't taught about in especially like our levels of science that we're currently learning.
Who doesn't want to learn about space? It's pretty cool how we change and mutate out in space and the difference between that and Earth.
Most dry-nosed primates, like humans for example, have all lost the ability to make vitamin C. We used to have it, but the gene is still there. And so you could, for example, what if we just bring it back? What if we start to make our own vitamin C again? That's one thing that might be helpful for long missions.
This is such a great opportunity to be invited to learn more about genetics and more about science.
It really brings our passion and curiosity back from our daily life.
Genomics has stepped out of the lab and into our everyday lives. Genome BC is very fortunate to be at the forefront of this.
Love is always going to be the answer. Love is always going to be the answer. That if we embrace our common humanity, that's what we're going to find.
I think we do what we've always done. We survive. We keep life alive because we don't know if life will ever come up again, if this is the only universe it'll ever happen. So maybe we have to carve out a section of the universe that survives the big crunch, or maybe restructure the universe. In the ultimate sort of engineering challenge, should we do this? Can we do this? I think it's what we have always done and I think need to do.